Are you Tesla lover? Tesla says an affordable $25,000 electric car is finally coming. Sounds exciting, right? But before you believe the hype, let's find out the real price you'll end up paying in the US, including Tesla's hidden fees, charging costs, insurance, and resale value over 5 years. Tesla hasn't officially named it yet. Some call it Model 2, others say Baby Tesla or Compact Hatch. Elon claims it'll start at $25,000, but Tesla history says otherwise. Model 3 was supposed to be $35,000, but the real entry price after launch was closer to $42,000 to $45,000. So realistically, the base Tesla Model 2 will likely land between $27,500 and $29,000 before options. Expect trims like standard range, cheapest, no autopilot extras, long range, dual motor, $4,000 to $6,000 more, full self-driving, still optional at $12,000, if anyone actually buys it. Tesla never includes real-world fees in their advertised price. So here's what a typical buyer will actually see at checkout. Base price, realistic, $28,000, destination fee, $1,390. Order, documentation fees, $250 to $500. Sales tax, approximately 7% average, $2,000. Real drive-away price, around $32,000 to $33,000. Yes, that's nearly $7,000 higher than the $25,000 headline. Insurance for Teslas skews high due to repair costs. Expect $1,600 per year or $8,000 over 5 years. Maintenance? Minimal, no oil changes, but tires, cabin filters, wiper blades, brake fluid checks still add up. Estimate $300 per year or $1,500 over 5 years. With around 250 miles of range and 4 miles per kilowatt hour, a typical driver using home charging at 14 cents per kilowatt hour will spend about $420 per year, or $2,100 over 5 years. Supercharger-only users, double that. Tesla resale values are unpredictable. Some models hold 65%, others crash to 40%. For this budget-friendly EV, expect 45% depreciation in 5 years. So a $32,000 purchase might resell around $17,000 later. Category cost, 5 years. Insurance approximately $8,000. Charging approximately $2,100. Maintenance, $1,500. Depreciation loss, $15,000. Total running cost, excluding purchase, $26,500. If we add purchase price, you're effectively spending approximately $58,500 in 5 years. Perfect for first-time EV buyers, commuters who want tech on a budget, or city drivers who like Tesla ownership without the Model 3 price tag. Not ideal if you need long-range road trips, premium interiors, or hate Tesla's touchscreen-only controls. Is the Tesla Model 2 worth it? Yes, but only if you're okay with the fact that it's not a $25,000 car in the real world. Expect $32,000 out the door and around $5,000 a year to run. Still, for futuristic tech at this price point, it might be the most exciting entry EV yet. What do you think? Would you buy a $30,000 Tesla hatchback? Or would you wait for Toyota's or Hyundai's cheaper EV alternatives? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more no-nonsense ownership breakdowns.